Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 8th class, today we will discuss the classification of minerals. The day before yesterday, we read that a mineral is a naturally occurring solid, organic and inorganic substance having an orderly atomic structure and a definite chemical composition. Dear students, we discussed the minerals the day before yesterday very minutely, and I am sure that you all are aware now about the minerals. So, my dear students, today we will discuss how are minerals classified, or we can say the classification of minerals. First of all, we have, my dear students, we have three main kinds of minerals. We have three main kinds of minerals. Number one, metallic minerals. Number two, non-metallic minerals. And number three, energy minerals. Minerals are mainly classified into three categories. Number one, metallic minerals. Number two, non-metallic minerals. And number three, energy minerals. Now I will give you examples of all these types of minerals. The first kind of mineral is metallic mineral. The first classification, we have classified these minerals into three categories. The first category is metallic minerals. Metallic minerals are furious minerals, or we can say the furious metals containing iron. So metallic in the furious metals are those metals which contain iron. For example, my dear students, iron ore. Iron ore is the example of metallic mineral. Similarly, we have manganese. Manganese is also a furious this mineral containing iron. Similarly, we have nickel. Nickel is another metal, and then we have cobalt. These are the examples of metallic minerals. I repeat, metallic minerals are furious. Furious metals are those which contain iron. So, metallic minerals are iron ore, manganese, nickel, and cobalt. The second category which we have classified, the second category is non-metallic. Non-metallic, the examples of non-metallic minerals are, I once again repeat, metallic minerals are furious metals, and non-metallic minerals are not furious metals. Examples of non-metallic minerals are mica, salt, potash, sulfur, granite, limestone, marble, sandstone. Dear students, these are the non-metallic minerals. Then we have, I once again repeat the second category, non-metallic minerals: mica, salt, potash, sulfur, granite, limestone, marble, sandstone. These are the examples of non-metallic minerals. Then we have the energy minerals. Energy minerals are, the examples of energy minerals are coal, petroleum, natural gas. These are the minerals which are used to produce, which are used to generate energy. Coal is used to generate energy, petroleum is used to generate energy, and natural gas is used to generate this energy. So these are known as energy minerals. My dear students, I recapitulate once again. Minerals are classified into three main groups, three main categories. Number one, metallic. Number two, non-metallic. And number three, energy minerals. I gave you the example of this metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals, and energy minerals. These metallic minerals are again these metallic minerals we have metallic minerals. In metallic minerals we have three more kinds. One is a furious metal. Metallic minerals are furious. The another type of metallic minerals are non-furious, and then we have precious. First of all, we classified minerals into three categories: metallic, non-metallic, and energy giving. Then metallic minerals are further classified into three groups: furious, non-furious, and precious. Furious metals are those, as I discussed earlier, are those which contain iron. The examples of furious metals are iron ore, manganese, nickel, and cobalt. Non-furious metals are copper, lead, tin, bauxite, etc. I repeat, non-furious metals are copper, lead, tin, bauxite, etc. Then we have the precious metals. Precious metals are gold, silver, and platinum. Platinum. These are the precious. These are the precious metals. So, my dear students, today we learned how these minerals are classified. So, my dear students, I hope you have fully understood this today's classification of minerals. Let's hope for the best, and we will proceed ahead tomorrow, inshallah. Thank you very much.